Hey guys, Anna here from My Digital. Here's a quick guide showing the setup and core functions of local pickup and delivery. First up, let's add your store locations. Just head over to the Locations tab, click Add Store Location, fill in the details, and you're good to go. Next, let's set up store pickup. Go to the Pickup tab, enable the store pickup option, and configure settings like time slots, cutoff times, and break hours. Now, let's enable local delivery. Click the Local Delivery tab, turn on the delivery option, and set delivery time, rates, and slots. Make sure your inventory is synced with Shopify to manage stock effectively. Head to the Inventory tab, enable inventory syncing, and you're all set. Keep yourself informed about orders by setting up admin notification emails. Enter the email addresses for notifications and customize the templates for both pickup and delivery. Handle non-operational days by setting up blackout dates. Go to the Blackout Dates tab under Settings, add the dates, and save. Next, let's go through the settings. In the Settings tab, you can configure general settings, pickup settings, and delivery settings. Don't forget to explore the Design tab to customize the appearance. Finally, let's boost your payment options by enabling Cash on Delivery. Just click on the Cash on Delivery tab, switch it on, and customize the settings to fit your needs. If you ever need support, our 24/7 live chat team is always here to help. You can also visit our website to learn how other successful Shopify merchants have boosted their revenue with local pickup and delivery. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.